All right, folks, I am back with a surprise, very unexpected new planner. And this is pre-loved. I will say it is pre-loved. It was also a something I had my eye on for a while. And I have never purchased a Gilio before. I thought pre-loved would be great, but I was thinking about, as you know, I talk about my uh, personal wide planner that isn't a personal wide. It's a Moterm Personal Versa, and I bought this accidentally, and I've been using it to test out personal wide, but you can see it's not the same size, and the June got bent because it's not the same size because the tab bent it. And I'm using this a lot lately, and I said, you know what, maybe I need a personal wide. And later that day, this baby popped up in my feed. So shout out for the pre-loved planner. It is a personal wide Gilio. Now again, I am not all up with all of the terms yet, but I just know I love leather planners. I really wanted a personal wide, and you can see the difference in the size. Maybe you can, maybe you can't, but you can see it's definitely like wider, so those tabs won't kind of fall apart. But look at this color. It is beautiful. It was in great condition. So you have this material pocket. Oh, how cute she wants looking. I like the fly leaf, a lot of cards or whatever you put in the back there. And then a back flap. I mean, it's just everything that this was, but a beautiful, beautiful color for fall, and it's amazing. I love that it's in great shape. I don't mind any of the little, like, I love all of the pebbly texture. Like, I love the pebbly texture. It's this beautiful rust color. I couldn't find it on the site when I looked, but that is just absolutely stunning. And I'm trying to think how I can also compare it maybe to the insert. That might be a little easier to see the difference in the size. But I do want to transfer what is in this planner into the Gilio rest and see how that feels. But it was a really great deal. She sent it to me in the original dust bag and the box, and I was happy to take it off her hands. And when I was talking about my husband and talking to my husband, I said, I love it so much. He said, well, here you go. Here's a present. I am going to say happy promotion because as a bonus, I am very excited. Part of why it's also been so busy in the last month, I did apply to a higher level position, still at the same company and in the same larger group, but it is a promotion, and I'm very, very excited. I'm going to go on vacation next week and play with this baby, and when I return, I will be returning to a new role, and so the timing of things just couldn't have worked out better. But yes, thanks to my husband for this lovely pre-loved gift to celebrate that milestone. I'm very, very excited. So that's just a quick unboxing of a pre-loved Gilio. And Gilio Florence, because also Florence is my favorite city in Italy. And I said, you know what, maybe one day I'll get a Gilio, and this was great. I ordered it from her, and it showed up at my door 2 days later. So it's great. Highly recommend it. I'll tag her in the comments below. because I think she's selling other ones in rust, other sizes. And that's that. So I'll also do a video where I'm able to transfer all of the insides and show you what a final flip looks like. So thanks for joining in, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.